Hello friends. Today we are going to watch Butterfruit Avocado, Nutrition, Health Benefits, Keto Diet, Uses for Skin and Recipes. Avocados contain a wide range of nutrients. Health benefits of avocado consumption may include improving digestion, lowering the risk of depression, and preventing bone loss. Also known as an alligator pear or butterfruit, avocados are a type of berry. They grow in warm climates. Avocados provide a substantial amount of monounsaturated fatty acids and are rich in many trusted source vitamins and minerals. Incorporating them into a varied, healthy diet can provide a number of benefits. Protect your eyes. Avocado boosts eye health by enhancing the absorption of carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids help prevent the different forms of eye diseases such as age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. This wondrous fruit is good for eye health since it is a rich vitamin E source and an essential antioxidant. Fertility booster. Avocado is beneficial in improving the uterus lining since it is a rich vitamin E source, making them one of the best foods to boost fertility. This fruit helps your body absorb other vitamins efficiently since it has reasonable amounts of potassium, folate, and vitamin K. It is linked to the success of IVF treatment and gives you a better chance at conception by boosting fertility. High blood pressure. Avocados have low amounts of sodium and high potassium amounts, keeping your blood pressure stable, and thereby reducing cardiovascular issues. It also works wonders on soaring blood pressure since the oil expressed from avocado is packed with oleic acid. It also reduces the levels of cholesterol in your body. Avocado for cholesterol reduction. Avocado is a fruit with a good amount of unsaturated fat that is considered healthy for your body, and it has few calories. It is regarded as a heart-healthy food since this fruit helps lower blood cholesterol levels because of polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. Better digestion. Avocados are high in fiber and potassium, which promotes healthy digestion and are less likely to cause stomach gas since it is low in fructose. It is also effective in combating diarrhea by replenishing the lost electrolytes with the help of potassium. In diarrhea, you can sprinkle some salt over avocados, giving your body a dash of additional sodium. Controls diabetes. The creamy and delicious avocados are packed with fiber, vitamins, and nutrients to maintain a healthy body. It is an excellent option for blood sugar stability with its low-carb, high-fiber ratio. Avocado helps use insulin more effectively, preventing further complications from diabetes like heart attack and stroke. According to multiple studies, avocado's dietary fiber can lower the fasting blood sugar levels in diabetics. Everybody is different and may have a different impact on diabetic patients, therefore, make sure you contact your doctor before adding it to your diet. Contains more potassium. Potassium plays a vital role in the performance of many functions in our body, and avocado is a rich source of this mineral. According to studies, a high potassium intake is linked to reduced blood pressure, preventing many other health issues, and avocado is a rich potassium source. Rich in fiber. Compared to other fruits, avocado tends to be rich in fiber, about 7% of its weight. It has both soluble and insoluble fiber, 25% and 75%, respectively, that plays an essential role in maintaining your body. You can get 7 grams of fiber in 3.5 ounces serving of avocado, which is critical for your body's optimal functioning. It may help to relieve arthritis symptoms. Arthritis is a growing concern for many people, irrespective of age and gender, for many reasons. Avocado and soybean unsaponifiables are extracts available in avocado and soybean oil that can reduce the effect of osteoarthritis in your body. There is a need for further research to determine the impact of avocados on arthritis. Here is a list of some of the benefits of avocado for your skin. Manage acne. Avocado's antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties help naturally reduce acne and the scars associated with it, although more research is needed. Avocado oil has antimicrobial properties that cleanse your face and prevent breakouts in the future. It also makes your skin moisturized and supple by cleansing your face. Anti-aging. Avocado is a rich source of vitamins E, F, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin that slow down the formation of wrinkles, giving your face a youthful glow. According to animal studies, avocado's oil boosts collagen metabolism in the body. Help to prevent dry skin. Biotin is a part of the B-complex vitamins and is available abundantly in avocados. Biotin, when applied topically, tends to prevent dry skin efficiently. For smooth and supple skin, B-carotene, lecithin, and linoleic acid are available abundantly in avocado pulp and avocado oil. These nutrients nourish dehydrated, chapped, and flaky skin, giving you a smooth and supple surface. Natural sunscreen. Environmental factors and UV rays create many problems for your skin, damaging it in the process. Avocado is a rich source of polyhydroxylated fatty alcohols that protect your skin from inflammation and sun damage, acting as a natural sunscreen. It also protects your skin from oxidative damage caused by the skin due to vitamins C and E. Benefits of avocados for hair. Here is the list of some of the benefits avocado offers for the maintenance of hair health. Improve scalp health. Avocados have compounds essential in maintaining scalp health, such as vitamins, proteins, amino acids, etc. You can also use avocado oil to moisturize and rejuvenate your scalp, resulting in healthy hair and scalp. It makes your hair lustrous and full of life by providing nourishment. May help healthy hair and nails growth. Avocados have high amounts of vitamin E that not only promote hair growth but may strengthen hair naturally. It also leads to decelerated hair growth since vitamin E repairs scalp damage. Although more research is needed to show the relationship between the effect of avocado on hair growth is possible with vitamin E supplementation. Help hair look smooth and shiny. Avocado pulp promotes hair growth by rejuvenating and adequately moisturizing your scalp. It nourishes your scalp from the roots, giving your hair a smooth and shiny finish. Prevent hair breakage. The presence of biotin helps healthy hair growth, and this B-complex vitamin is abundantly available in avocados. The oil extracted from avocados prevents your hair from breaking and makes it smooth and shiny by sealing the cuticle cells. This process is possible because of the potassium and magnesium present in avocado oil. May help prevent hair loss. Vitamins B and E protect and strengthen your hair at the cellular level, which is available abundantly in avocados. Vitamin E may repair scalp damage that may prevent your hair from growing, and vitamin B boosts hair growth naturally. Strengthen bones. Raw avocados enhance calcium absorption and are beneficial for bones since they contain a mineral called boron. This fruit also offers osteoprotective benefits and boosts bone formation since it is a rich vitamin K source. The anti-inflammatory potential of the monounsaturated fats present in avocado helps treat arthritis efficiently. Thanks for watching.